In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase Cash App Bitcoin limit. So the first thing you want to do, if you go to their website over here, so cash.app, and you scroll down to the very bottom, you can see over here under Learn More, they have the Help page. So you want to go on the Help page, and over here, I'm going to show you the list of all the options you have if you want to increase your Cash App limits, especially for Bitcoin. So in here, what you got to do is you want to go to here and you want to type in limit. And you want to click on account limits. And from here, you can see what all you have to do in order to get higher limits. So over here, it says you can get higher limits by verifying your identity. So in case you've never done this, so in case you haven't verified your identity yet, this is what you should do. And then, of course, you can read this over here on this page, and you'll be able to see basically how much you can get. So as you can see, it says after you successfully verify your identity, you can send up to $10,000 on a rolling 7-day period, and then $20,000 on 30 days, as well as receive up to $12,500 and up to $25,000 on a rolling 30-day period. So that's pretty much that. In case your limits are still 1,000 over here on the Cash App, what you have to do, as I said, is verify your identity. And what verifying your identity means is basically verifying your name, address, SSN, etc. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.